Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Spyderco Techno here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty cool knife made by Spyderco. It's the Techno first version, made in Taiwan in the factory of Taichung. It's a pretty cool titanium frame lock with Reeve integral lock. Overall size of this guy is gonna be 5.85 inch. And the handle size is going to be 3.43 inch long. It's a titanium frame lock, beautifully done, stone wash finished. This blade is very nice. It's quite thick stock right over here. Has a nice mirror wash finish, all belly, 2.5 inch long blade made out of CTS XHP steel. It's a flat grind. The sound that this guy makes is this one. It's very classic. When you close it, there's no drop shuttiness whatsoever, and it's gonna be almost quiet, so very interesting. The weight in the pocket, it's 3.6 ounces. There's a deep carry wire clip right over here. Fit and finish overall is very good. There's a G10 black spacer with this geared pattern. The grip is of course like small and because it's a very tiny knife, but overall it feels solid, and the deployment is also smooth, even if it's running on washers. The detent is a little bit on the light side, and this guy can even also be like front flipped like this. So there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, but thanks for watching and stay tuned.